the positions of the two particles are given, we have to find the velocity. So this is the position of particle A. So velocity will be dx over dt. Two minus t. And the other one, velocity, position of particle B is like that. So that velocity will be 4 cos t. So we have to show that there are exact two positions where they cross each other. So let's just plot. So this is particle A, 2t, so that's a negative slope here, and this one is 2, so it goes like that, the straight line. So this is the velocity of particle A. If this is particle A and this one is particle B, be like that, here. And this one, if we plot, this is a cosine function. So it should go, this one is 2 because when t is equal to 0, v is equal to 2. So this side t, this side v. And cosine function is starting here, going pi over 2, which is just somewhere there, then going here, and then going there. So this one will be somewhere pi, this one will be 3 pi over 2, this one will be pi over 2, like that. So this is one point, and this is other point where they meet. So this is the 2 points where the particles will cross each other. Okay. Now going back to question 3, going forward actually. So we have to find the distance traveled. So what I will do, I will just erase this one. My particle is, so I have to just integrate this region. So in this region, if I integrate, it will be, this is t1, this will be t2 according to the description, and this will be 2. So it will be t1 to 2. Now we notice one thing, that this is a positive, the velocity becomes negative here, so it goes in the other direction in this region. So basically 0 to t1 to 2, we do 2 minus t dt, and for this one, since it will be negative, we can just find that, because we want to find the distance traveled, it's not, we have to see whichever direction it goes, doesn't matter, because like initially it goes like that, from t1 to 2 it goes like that, and then from 2 to t1 it goes this way. So the total distance traveled will be this one plus this one, though the velocity here is negative and the position is decreasing here, but the total velocity traveled will be just added. So we just need to find the negative of that one, because this will be negative anyway, but we have to find the, basically we have to get rid of the sign, so we can do that by taking the negative sign here. So 2 to t2, 2 minus t dt. So we have to do this integration, and let's try doing that. So it's becoming two t minus t square by 2, 2 by t1, and this is becoming 2t minus t square by 2, t2 over 2, like that. So we don't need this diagram anymore, so I will just erase this part. We will need some space here again. So this one is becoming 2 into 2 here, minus 4 over 2, that is 2, and then minus 2t1 plus t1 square by 2. This is for this one. Then for the second integral I will use another color here. So this is minus 2 t2, then plus t2 square over 2. Then this is becoming negative, but with both negative it's becoming again plus. So 2 into 2, taking this one, and then plus t square, which is 4 over 2. This is becoming negative as well, because this sign is negative, this is negative, negative, and this one is the mark, so this is negative. So we are getting here 4 minus 2 minus this one and this one, we can take this out, t1 plus t2, plus if I take the half out, becomes t1 square plus t2 square, just as I have to prove, and then here plus 4 minus 2. So 2 here, 2 here, getting 4 in total. So t plus t2 plus half t1 square plus t2 square. So that's the distance traveled by A. And as I said again, that this one, said before, this one is the sign is negative here because the distance traveled is actually in the other direction. The particle is going in the same direction, it's coming back basically. So I'm just taking the positive value, so that's why I have to take negative, so that I get the negative becomes positive. Now finally I have to show that the particles never meet. So one way of showing it, which I prefer, is this one. So x, let's use black pen now, x minus 6 plus 2t. So let's just plot them, both the positions, and see what happens. So this is becoming t square plus 4t minus 12 2x. So t square minus 4t is equal to minus 2x minus 12. So this is becoming t square minus 4t plus 4 minus 2x minus 12 plus 4. So becoming t minus 2. So what I'm trying to do here is, this is obviously the equation of a parabola, because this is a quadratic equation. So I'm just trying to plot that parabola. So I'm trying to find the vertex there, and if I can find the vertex, and I can see which way it goes by just looking at the sign in the other direction. I haven't done any video on parabola, I guess, but I hope that the audience of this video will look that up. So I'm just doing that. So this is becoming minus 2x plus minus 8. So t minus 2 minus 2x plus 4, and then we can write minus 4 half x plus 4. So basically this one we need to find the focus, which we don't need really. We just need to find this one, which is 2. So this is something like of the form x square minus, or rather x minus h square minus 4a y minus k, that form of parabola. So it will go, because this sign is negative here, it will go downwards, and the vertex is 2 and minus 4. That's the vertex. So if I plot the parabola 2 minus 4, I will erase everything. So plot the parabola 2 minus 4, 2 here, minus 4 here, and then it goes downwards because it's negative. And the other particle, which is, this is particle A, and the other particle is 4 sine t, so that one should go here, it should have a 4 here, should have a 4 here, should go this way. Now this is 2, and this one should come back here at pi, which is 3.14, and goes on. So basically higher than 2, and then it comes down here, reaches 4 here, but that will be when this is pi by 2, and this is 3 pi by 2. So of course this is much higher than 4. So basically they actually never meet, they will never meet, and this is why we can say that the particle never meets. So just by plotting them we can show that the particles don't meet and never meet. There has been a little mistake, since pi by 2 is something like 1.5758, so 2 should be here actually. So I will just redraw, and 4, let's say 4 is here, 4, let's say it's not relatively not the same, so yeah, anyway, it's just for the sake of it. So this one should go like that, and this 4 should be this 4 though, so maybe here. The bottom line is they don't cross, so there is no crossover. Yeah, so this is pi over 2, and 2 should be further right. Anyway.